of my favorite delicacies, or actually treats, sweet treats in Brazil, is Amendoim Doce, which basically means sweet peanuts. It's just an amazing, amazing delicacy. As you can see, there's amendoim, that's the peanuts, regular peanuts, and there's some sugar in here. There's some baking powder in here, and a little bit of water. And just put some chocolate in here, and I'm going to give it a little stir. Going to put it on a nice heat and let it cook for a little bit. This is just amazing. It's one of my favorite street snacks in Brazil. Go up to one of the street stands and vendors, and these a little bag of these usually cost R$1, which is R$1, or their bigger bag, the grande, is about R$2, R$2. What you want to do is you want to give this a nice good stir. You want to stir until all the liquid, all of it dries, it evaporates. It's so you want to keep on going this continuous heat, as you can see, and give it a nice stir till it dries up. It's really cool. You wanna keep continuously stirring. Again, it's just wonderful. And when it starts drying up, it evaporates. When there's no more liquid, you want to put it out in a pan, let it dry out, and they'll be ready to eat. It's just amazing. I love going to different parts of the world. Here in Brazil, I've basically have been learning a lot. I recently have learned how to make a popular delicacy in Minas Gerais state called pão de queijo. It's basically a bread with cheese filled inside of it. Usually the cheese is queijo canastra, which is one of my favorites. It's just amazing. But this is great. The reason why you see the consistency here, how it's thickening up like that, is because of the baking powder that went in here. And this is a real good sign. It's just truly wonderful. As you can see, it's starting to come together. You can hear the bubbling, and it's coming together. We're almost there, folks. So done now. Lay it out on a rack, a pan, and let it dry. It's really hot, and you let it cool down. But pretty much it's done. Amendoim Doce.